All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 with 20,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, super nice. Best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty decent. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread here is at 630 seconds. This door looks good. This door, this quarter here, looks like it has dents from the inside out. You can actually kind of see them. Boom, 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 boom. Some more here. Dun, 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 dun. All right, some more right there. Boom. This is your rear driver's steel wheel and your tire thread. It's over 1130 seconds. Looks good. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Still wrapped up in its package. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. You got some cup holders and stuff down here. Turn the lights. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You got an ESC light and ABS light. Your mileage of 20,618. The lights. I'm gonna try to take it to the dealer and see if they'll hook it up and get those that straightened out for us. All right. If it happens, I'll post it on the OVE. If not, buy it the way it is, and then you got to figure out how to get that shit off. Got some dings, well, not dings, but really some heavy scratching back here. That scratches and crap. This door, it's pretty good. Has a little dent there. Rest of it looks good. This your panel here, definitely need to replace it or just leave it the way it is. Who knows? Take it off. I don't know, but it's a little beat up. So of course, what's your this panel? Same thing, a little bit beat up, but this one's not as bad as the other one. The door has some scratching and stuff like that. This is what your cargo area looks like. Very nice. Does have some heavy scratching on the floor, as you can see. Your wheel wells heavily scratched. Boom. Likewise on your walls and some on the roof there. All right. If you want to see it more clearly, pause the video and you can see it. Okay. Got a dent up here, as you can see, from here to here. Boom. So you can see it. Has some dings here. Boom, boom. Some more dings here from the inside out. Let's see. Maybe be showing it 1, 2, 3. Likewise here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Got some dents up there. I'll get a ladder and show that. Heavy, had a little chippy there. 2 chips there. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread. Over 1230 seconds. Heavy scratch down here. A chippy there. A chip here. Okay, some things on this door, as you can see. 1, 2. Again, from the inside out. Scratch there on the ground. Some scratches here on the wall. But other than that, you look pretty decent in here. Doesn't look too bad. The door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger upcat. And your tire there. This is 630 seconds. Lights are working. All lights are good. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 20,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding. That light is freaking like bright. 1, 2, 3.